This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom image to the New tab page on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To add a custom image to the New tab page, first of all, I'm going to open up the New tab page. I'm going to go up to the top up here, to the right side of my tab, to the little plus icon. I'm going to click on that. That'll open up the New tab page. And to add a custom image, you want to go off to the lower right hand corner, down to the little pencil icon. You want to click on that. That'll open up a little sidebar here. And right up here, it shows you a picture of the image that you currently have as your background image. But right down below that, it says Change Theme. You want to click on Change Theme. That'll bring you to a little page like this. You can choose from one of these, but if you want to upload a custom image, you want to click on Upload an Image. That'll open up a little dialog box. You have to find your image on your device. I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Open Image. Now if I want to further customize a New tab page, I'm going to scroll down a little ways, down to where it says Shortcuts. You can enable or disable your shortcuts here. You could go down to the bottom down here where it says Show Cards. I can toggle that off. You can customize it how you want. I'm going to close the little sidebar here. That is how you add a custom image to the New tab page on the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.